Based on data from the Central Statistical Office, Trinidad and Tobago imported $330 million in milk between 2018 to 2022, with liquid milk claiming the largest percentage. This statistic was shared by Deputy Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Trade and Industry, Randall Karim, during the launch of Nestle's new fresh milk model farm located in Sangre, Grande. Mr. Karim noted that exports only amounted to $28 million, which represents a huge gap between imports and exports. As such, he hopes the local supply of milk will increase with the implementation of the model farm as it presents economic, social, and environmental solutions.
With respect to the economy, an increase in local production of milk can create jobs, enhance import substitution, preserve much-needed foreign exchange, and eventually boost our exports. This dairy farm can also provide additional opportunities for value addition and downstream services.
The fresh milk model farm is the first in TNT. Minister in the Ministry of Agriculture, Land and Fisheries, Avinash Singh, said he was pleased to see the investments being made in the local agriculture sector and farming families.
The Nestle model farm represents a significant investment in the local agricultural sector to create model farms in a shared value project. This investment will help to finance infrastructure and development costs and provide technical and management support for the model farm.
Market head at Nestle Anglo-Dutch Caribbean, Josue de la Masa, noted that milk production in TNT has been declining over the years.
It is important, it is critical to our food security here, to the jobs here, to manufacturing here, to who we are and to our model, to fight back and get back, to stop this fall of milk and get it back.
MP for Toko Sangre Grande, Roger Monroe, thanked the team at Nestle for the investment and hoped they could partner on other initiatives. Head of Public Relations and daughter of the founder of the Amoroso farm, Gillian Amoroso Edwards, thanked Nestle for supporting and guiding the family over the years and for their investment in the fresh milk model farm. Kimberly D'Souza, TTT News.